Good morning students, how are you all? We will continue with solution of chapter number 15 light. Question number 1. Choose the correct option. Which type of image is obtained in the plane mirror? Erect, inverted, real, smaller than the object. So we are getting erect image. What happens when light falls on the mirror? Refraction of light, reflection of light, dispersion of light, absorption of light. So when the light falls on the mirror, reflection of light is happening. Number 3. Which one of the following forms both real and virtual image? Plane mirror, concave mirror, convex mirror, concave lens. Right? So which one of the following forms both real and virtual image? It is concave mirror. Which mirror is used as a side mirror in scooters? Plane mirror, concave mirror or convex mirror? Both concave mirror and convex mirror. So convex mirror is used so that a driver can see the back traffic behind the scooter. Which among the following is not a application of convex lens? Magnifying glass, telescope, microscope, headlights of vehicles. So headlights of vehicles is not having convex lens. What is the image always obtained virtual? Concave mirror, concave lens, convex lens or none of the given. So with concave lens the image is obtained virtual. Sunlight is dash, red in color, white in color, yellow in color, blue in color. So sunlight is white in color. Newton's disc when rotated rapidly in the daylight appears as bluish green, greenish, whitish or yellowish. It appears whitish. Question number 2. Fill in the blanks. An image that can be obtained on a screen is called dash. It is called as virtual image. Image formed by a convex dash is always virtual and smaller in size. It is mirror. An image formed by a plane mirror is always as the same size as that of the object by a plane mirror. As we stand opposite to the mirror, we can see our own picture, own image on the mirror. An image which can be obtained on a screen is called a dash image. It is called as a real image. An image formed by a concave dash cannot be obtained on the screen. So image obtained by a concave lens, यानी लेंस से जो इमेज फॉर्म होती है उसे हम स्क्रीन पे नहीं ले सकते हैं बिकॉज लेंसेज आर ट्रांसपेरेंट. स्टेट ट्रू और फॉल्स. वी कैन ऑब्टेन एन एनलार्ज एंड इरेक्ट इमेज बाय अ कॉन्वेक्स मिरर. फॉल्स. अ कॉन्केव लेंस ऑलवेज फॉर्म्स अ वर्चुअल इमेज. ट्रू. वी कैन ऑब्टेन अ रियल एनलार्ज एंड इन्वर्टेड इमेज बाय अ कॉन्केव मिरर. ट्रू. A real image cannot be obtained on a screen. False. A concave mirror always forms a real image. False. Answer the following in one sentence. What is light? Light is form of energy which help us to see object. Without light we cannot see the object. What is mirror? The smooth surface whose one side is polished and other side is shining and can reflect light is called as mirror. Mirror क्या होता है? एक स्मूथ सरफेस जिसकी एक साइड पॉलिश होती है और दूसरी साइड उनकी शाइनिंग होती है और वो ऑब्जेक्ट को रिफ्लेक्ट कर पाते हैं. इट इज कॉल्ड एज मिरर. व्हाट इज कॉन्केव मिरर? If the reflecting surface of spherical mirror is concave, that is inward, it is called as concave mirror. अंदर की तरफ स्फीयरिकल मिरर जो होता है वो इनवर्ट अंदर की तरफ टर्न होता है, उसे हम कहते हैं कॉन्केव मिरर. व्हाट इज कॉन्वेक्स मिरर? इफ द रिफ्लेक्टिंग सरफेस ऑफ स्फीयरिकल मिरर इज कॉन्वेक्स, दैट इज आउटवर्ड की तरफ बल्जिंग होता है, इट इज कॉल्ड एज कॉन्वेक्स मिरर. What is a lens? A transparent material bounded on both sides of one or two spherical surface is called lens. ट्रांसपेरेंट मटेरियल जो दोनों तरफ से बाउंडेड होता है बाय वन और टू स्फीयरिकल सरफेस इज कॉल्ड अ लेंस. What is a rainbow? A rainbow is a large arc in the sky with many colors. So with this we complete our session, children. In next session we will continue with question number 5 and question number 6. Thank you and have a nice day, children.